Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Indonesian with Elita. In this lesson, we will learn about special letters and continue the introduction. But first, last time we had homework, so let's check together. I will read the answers and I also put some words in the brackets to indicate they are optional. Halo, apa kabar? Saya baik, kamu? Saya baik. Nama kamu siapa? Nama saya Ani. Nama saya Bella. Dia siapa? Dia Joko. Kamu mau es krim? Saya ada 3 es krim. Saya mau 1. Kamu mau es krim coklat? Yes, makasih. Easy or not? I believe it's quite easy. And next, the special letters. Today we will learn about 4 of them. The first one is the letter E. As we learned before, it can be read as E, like in math, E. And the other one, it can be read as U, such as in the word book. So let's see the example. First is cell. Cell, which means like cell in biology. And as it is Selasa, Selasa, which means Tuesday. The second pair we have bell, bell, and balloon, balloon. Bell means the like ding dong bell, and the balloon means not yet. Next one we have the letter J, J. And in English, it's maybe kind of similar with how chase, che sounds, but it's still a little bit different. Let's hear these 2 words. Listen to these 2 words, cacing and cuci. Cacing means warm. Cuci means to wash. And some people also say the letter J and J sounds so similar. Listen carefully. This one is cari. Cari. This one is jari. Jari. Can you spot the difference? I think the letter J, it comes from the top of the throat, while the letter J comes from the lower part of the throat. Practice it more. I believe you can do it. 2 other letters are Q and X. There are so few words in Indonesian started with these 2 letters. Q usually just read as ka, ka, such as the word Quran, which is the Muslim holy book. And X, usually in the word, will be read as S. In example, Senia. This is one of the most common car you will find in Indonesia, Xenia. Next, we have exercise. These are the combinations of the letters, vowels, and all consonants or vowels. I put red here because they are diphthongs, and I highlighted E, the letter A, because this indicates can be read as A or U. So let's try some combinations such as BA, ba, and then this one is G, this one is du, this one is E or A long, or it can also be which is not very common, or just and this one is fo, and the last one is gu. Okay. There are also some other examples, and you can practice them at home. And you can practice them by yourself. To continue the introduction, here we have 4 words. You already learned about kamu, means you. Now we are learning new words orang. Orang means person. Mana means where. Apa means what. To review, hello, apa kabar? Nama kamu siapa? It usually follow with kamu orang mana or kamu orang apa. So the meaning is just you person where and you person what. Basically, these two mean where are you from? So to reply, to answer, just change kamu into saya, orang, still the same, orang, and the blank you can fill it with the country of your origin. So for me, I will answer, saya orang Indonesia. Saya orang Indonesia. Do you see the pattern? So orang plus country, like orang Indonesia, means Indonesian. So when we're talking about orang Indonesia, do you know there are hundreds of ethnicities in Indonesia? They can look like this, like Eastern Asian, Malaysian kind of, and into this Austronesian or Polynesian, Pacific Islander look. We are very diverse as Indonesians, so yeah, it's very interesting, right? Next one, we also have several examples of countries where we say negara, negara. So first we have Indonesia, Singapura, China, India, Canada, Malaysia, Filipina, Jepang, Inggris, Amerika, Korea Selatan, Thailand, and Australia. Next one, maybe right now because you're learning Indonesian language, you want to say it, right? So we have the word bisa means can or able to. Belajar means to study. Bahasa means language. Sedikit or dikit means a little. And we have similar with orang Indonesia, we have here bahasa plus negara. It will mean like some country language. In this case, Indonesian language is Bahasa Indonesia. So, saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Can you guess the meaning of this sentence? Yes, I study language Indonesia or I study Indonesian language. That's what you're doing right now, right? Next one, you maybe want to say that saya bisa bahasa Indonesia sedikit. Saya bisa bahasa Indonesia sedikit. That means I can language Indonesia a little. I mean, like literally translate it. But in this term, bisa bahasa Indonesia in general means you understand a little bit of reading, writing, and listening and reading, like the whole package of Indonesian language. Got it? Next, last one for today. I have this sentence. Sorry, saya bisa bahasa Indonesia sedikit aja. Can you speak English? Probably you want to be able to say this when you're visiting Indonesia. So what is the meaning? Sorry is just sorry. Sorry. And saya bisa bahasa Indonesia sedikit aja means I can understand Indonesian language a little only. Can you speak English? You might hear response such as ya, yes, or enggak means no. Yeah, ya, or enggak. And for today's homework, it's very easy. Just to translate this, can you speak English into Indonesian? Easy, right? Okay. Thank you for joining me today. Makasih. Sampai jumpa.